Hello everybody, I'm Bean, and today we're going to be talking about the up-and-coming Samsung Galaxy S8's supposed new beast mode. Now today I'll be reading from an article from knowyourmobile.com. I'll put the link to this article in the description. So let's read from the article a little bit just to get an idea on what beast mode is. New rumors suggest Samsung may be implementing a high-performance mode users can toggle for the Galaxy S8 to significantly boost its capabilities. Such a mechanism already exists on the Galaxy S7 series, but there's evidence to suggest the feature may be amped up on the Galaxy S8 as the leading USP. Then it goes on to tell you how Samsung has trademarked the term beast mode in Europe. So just because a company trademarks a term doesn't necessarily mean that it'll be in, like, it could be for their TVs, it could be for anything that they have. So I'll continue reading it to the last part of the article under the really cringy Arnold Schwarzenegger meme thing. At present, there are no further details on what exactly Samsung's Galaxy S8 Beast Mode will involve, but as the phone has been rumored to be designed with high-performance VR applications in mind via Google's Daydream project, it's plausible it relates to the demand of VR. I don't see why Samsung will call it Beast Mode. Beast Mode sounds like something you go into to get higher performance, obviously. It's in the name, Beast Mode. But for it to be for just VR, I would assume that they would call it something with VR in the title, like Samsung VR Mode. It seems like you'll be able to use it in other modes than just VR. If it was a mode you went into to play newer and harder to play games, I would see that. Like, maybe it'll have its own, like, subscription service, like the NVIDIA Shield tablet, or something along the lines of that. When you stream a game from NVIDIA, and it just streams to your tablet, and a computer at their headquarters or whatever runs it. Maybe this will just be something like that, except it puts the Galaxy S8 into a mode where it can run these newer title games. Maybe not at 60 FPS and high settings, because what you got is what you got. You know, you can't take an i5 and just click a button and change it into an i7. It's still an i5. You can overclock it, but then again, some i5s you can't overclock, and there's only you can only overclock so far. So, do I think that Beast Mode in itself is just for VR? No. I think that Beast Mode would be a mode you go into potentially to game, but it could also be a mode you go into to just get things done faster. If you want to do more things, it could be a mode you go into when you want to be real professional, and like maybe they're developing like a full-on Photoshop for mobile devices, which when you go into Beast Mode, you will be able to run it. Maybe even they're taking professionalism so far as to be developing a whole like office system for Samsung where you just activate Beast Mode and it can just it's got a video editor, it's got Photoshop, it's got anything you want, it's got an animator, you know, hard stuff that you wouldn't find on a phone necessarily, that would rival the capabilities of Photoshop you can find on the computer. Maybe that's what it's for. I don't know. It could be for anything. It could be for all of the above. What I'm trying to get at is that I don't think that you can differ the performance that much when you can't change what's inside the phone. You can't take the processor, just click a button and make it a different processor. You can't take the graphical capabilities in the phone, click a button and change that. You can't take the megapixels in a camera and click a button and give it more. But that's not to say you can't take what's in the phone and alter the performance a little bit. Do I think that you could take what's in a phone and turn on a mode and make it a little faster? Maybe even a significant amount faster. Yeah, sure, but that's sacrificing things. Like a regular home screen. I don't see Samsung's TouchWiz still running and having a beast mode activated. Unless beast mode is not what everyone's putting it out to be, which honestly it could be. This could be like a app you run, and then it puts you into this low power like launcher and makes it so that you can run, like the article says, VR games. Could be any of those. Final thoughts on Samsung's beast mode is, if it's just for VR, I don't see why they would call it beast mode. If it's for gaming and just a general performance boost, then I could see why it's called beast mode, and VR is just included in that performance boost. Because, like I said 2 times before, you can't go and change what's inside the phone. But tell me down in the comments what you guys think about beast mode. I hope you guys liked the video. Please leave a like. And if you're feeling real nice today, maybe you'll subscribe. I've been Bean, and see you guys later.